I'm going to be doing a patio paver installation. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how I do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com. On this channel, we do driveway sealing, asphalt repair, paving, crack filling, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So in this backyard, there was previously a wooden deck that has been removed. So right now we have a bunch of garbage. We have some old patio pavers. We're gonna be removing, prepping the area before we install the high performance bedding gravel, which we're gonna use for the patio paver installation. So first thing I need to do is I'm just gonna start removing the existing old patio pavers, stacking them aside. The client wants to keep them before doing the bedding. The next step is I'm gonna rake out this garbage and all these wood fragments, and I'm gonna dispose of those. So right now we've used the Bobcat loader to carry buckets of high performance bedding to the backyard where we're doing the installation. Now I can't actually drive this through the back, or I can't use a wheelbarrow, because if you actually look, it's too much of an incline of a hill, and it's just going to be too hard. The Bobcat can't get there, and it's too hard. It's not worth it using a wheelbarrow, because we can just truck this over with the Bobcat. Using buckets, it's much faster. Right now we're in the backyard. I'm going to be installing the gravel, which is high performance bedding. Right now I'm just going to give it a rough rake just to get it approximate level, and I'll also use my lute. Now that the high performance gravel is down and I've already rough raked it, I'm just use the lute and I'm just going to get the final grade. I want it either level or slightly sloped away from the house, and I'll check that with the level to make sure that the grading is proper. All the high performance bedding is now laid out. I'm just going to give it a final lute for its final level. We're ready to install the patio pavers. So right now I took a measurement. I know I have 16 feet from the left to the right side, and I've already measured where I'm going to be putting my starting point. I'm going to start the first patio paver here, work that way, and I'll be filling in left to right so I know where my cuts are going to be. So we've already laid down a fair bit of patio pavers. Right now I'm just coming across a window well, and I'm going to be taking a few measurements to mark out on this paver, and I'm going to mark it out and cut that so that we can just place it nicely in. So I'm ready to cut the patio paver. I've got my TS 400 and I'm going to make the cut now. I've got my ear protection, safety glasses, and a mask to protect myself from the dust. finishing touch, we just installed a precast 3-foot concrete step for the client. Just one of those hollow concrete steps. They're easy to move, adjustable. So that's it. The job's complete. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like the video, share the video, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time from doitallsealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.